Γεια σας, είμαι η Αθηνά.
Γεια σας, είμαι ο Κυριάκος. Welcome to Diapolitismiko Gymnasio Evosmou. During the history course, we have created interesting things with trust.
Let's see what we have done.
The aim of our project was twofold. On the one hand, we wanted to connect the reuse of glass objects with the history and art of the ancient Greek world, creating replicas of ceramic pots. On the other hand, we intended to experiment with new materials and techniques, exploiting freely and creatively well-known motifs from both ancient Greek and modern art.
So, we gathered glass vases of different sizes and of various uses, such as vases for sauce or honey storage, wine or beer bottles, etc. We split into groups and we set up our artistic workshop.
The source of our inspiration was initially the artistic creation in the region of Aegean Sea during the Bronze Age. During the history course, we became familiar with representations from the Minoan Crete as well as artifacts from Mycenaean and Cycladic civilization.
We studied the frescoes and the figurines from the Palace of Knossos, Mycenae, and the Cape of Santorini. As we were impressed by the vivid and warm colors and the vibrancy of the depictions, we created a series of vessels with similar themes: dolphins, birds, chariots, sports scenes, sacred symbols, etc.
The next series of artifacts was based on the study of pottery from Minoan Crete. Florent and marine style in pottery from Minoan Crete led us to understand the relationship of ancient Greeks with nature and especially the sea, while at the same time it offered us new motifs: flowers, papyrus leaves, octopus, starfish, seashells, etc.
The study of art from 11th to 8th century BC led us to a series of geometric patterns: triangles, zigzag, menders, scaled drawings, etc. were chosen as a decoration for our work.
The archaic period gave us new motifs such as scenes from daily and religious life as well as themes from mythology or sports scenes. Particularly, our work was influenced by techniques from Corinth and Athens. Thus, we experimented with the red and black figure technique, representing respectively red figures on a black background or vice versa.
Finally, the reference to modern art could not be absent from our work. Impressionism of Monet, Picasso's Cubism, or Mondrian's abstract designs gave us ideas for our own creations. Playing with colors and the deformation of figures, we managed to escape from realistic depictions and follow the experiments of the 19th and 20th century.
The whole process was creative and gave us great fun. We were very pleased to see waste materials to be transformed into art.
Naturally, we suggest that their reuse should be related to the usage of our patterns. Our vessels are now suitable for storing wine or other drinks, honey, or even perfumes.